It's your boy Aubrey Street, and in this video, I'll be talking about where can I learn online affiliate marketing in 2020. So this is a major topic. So everybody want to learn how to make money online, and as what any online person will tell you that the best way to start out on making money online is through affiliate marketing. So you need the best training and stuff. So I'm gonna give you my number one recommending on making money online, and the that's where the best training is as well, because they're they're not say it's they have an affiliate program, but they're not basically on just the affiliate program. They're a company that is was created just to teach people how to make money online. So they are education company. So there are education company on the make money niche. So this company is a tremendous company. This is where when I just started, this is where I got all of my training from, and I really really love this company because they're so down to earth, and they have a lot of programs and a lot of people that can help you. So this company that I'm talking about is called Legendary Marketer. And just please remember, guys, this link is gonna be right below this video. So please don't forget to click it and check out. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to hear more from me. And I also create motivation quotes on Instagram and Facebook. That's on my page, and their links gonna be right below this video as well, so you can check out that. So this company is called Legendary Marketer. As it said right here, it's online marketing education. So this is basically a company that teach people how to make money online, and give them all the strategy that they have tried. So it's not like they didn't try them, but that they have tried and stuff. And I'm just gonna say this is a great company, and we're just gonna watch this little short video right here. This is the CEO that I'm not gonna go finish this video because uh, I have a lot to show. So when you guys gonna check it out, so the link in right below this video is gonna take you straight over to Dave, so you can hear directly from him. It's gonna be a free video, free training from him as well. So their mission is to help people online, and I'm telling you, they're doing it. They're doing it every single day. Dave Sharp is the CEO of Legendary, and he's a tremendous guy. He's a great guy. What I've seen online, so and he built and he helped people, and I'm gonna say that the work that he's doing is pretty amazing. Right now, I'm gonna show you some of their products. So which product I'm gonna offer you guys is a 15-day online business builder that Dave is doing, and I'm gonna tell you it's a great program, and I started out as in it, and I'm gonna say with this 15-day you're gonna get a business advisor, and plus you're gonna get some amazing bonus as well with the business advisor. So I'm gonna say it's an amazing product. So you have the 15-day business builder, you have the marketers club where you have videos of people teaching you stuff, and they go live like every Monday, and you can watch recaps. So every single Monday there's a new topic that they're teaching, and they have the traffic. So this is gonna show you how to get traffic on Twitter, Google, and Instagram, even YouTube. And then the affiliate marketers business blueprint, which is an amazing product, which I've never tried because, to be honest, this kind of costs a lot, and I don't have the money right now. So, but when I do get the money, definitely I'm gonna purchase that product. And then you have the digital product business blueprint. So, and for anybody that's want to create digital product for themselves, but as I said, for people that just want to start with affiliate marketing. And then you have the coaching and consulting business blueprint. So, and then you have the event and mastermind. So even this company, they do have their events and mastermind. So these are the products that you're gonna see right here for now. We have some other products that I can show in my back office. So, and I'm gonna be honest. Last year, this company, this legendary have a 1 month free traffic bootcamp, and I was a part of it, and I said it was tremendous. Even though I didn't follow through, I'm gonna be honest, it was a great bootcamp, and it teach me a lot. And if I did follow through, I'm gonna be honest, my YouTube page, my Medium account would be flying off the roof right now because I see people that follow through um, actually get a lot of people get monetized by YouTube already, and I'm here sitting back because I didn't have the time, or I didn't make the time to be exact, because I can't say I didn't have the time. I didn't make the time. So this is their event. So they keep events like every year, and you can join them. So and sorry, it's good to join Legendary with their events because they're gonna be teaching you a lot, and then you're gonna see everybody in the company. Sorry again. Right now, I'm gonna log in and go and see they even have a broadcast, so, and they have the blogging, so, and as I said, they have a Facebook group that when you pay, when you purchase the 15-day business builder, you're gonna be get access to their Facebook group, and plus you're gonna get a business advisor, and every single Monday in the Marketers Club, if you purchase the Marketers Club, they're gonna go live and they're gonna teach you stuff. But on Monday to Friday now, they're gonna be wake up call with Legendary. So at 10 o'clock Eastern time. So Monday to Friday, you can tune in on Facebook and stuff, or even can go on Zoom. So I'm gonna say they're gonna be teaching on a lot. So every single day, and as you can see, I've unlocked all the 15 days. So you can see the, the number one secret to building a high ticket, high profit business online. That's the first day. So they're gonna give you a lot of knowledge on the first day. And as you said, you have a business advisor, so you can ask them anything that you want and anything that you need and stuff, and they will assist you in everything. They're gonna even help you create your own business plan. And this is a company where they're not gonna be telling you to promote their stuff. If they just want to give you a lot of value, and they even at the end of the 15-day business challenge, um, if you don't want to be partners with Legendary, like be an affiliate of them and promote it, you don't have to. It's not like it's a must for you. I would say it would be a great benefit for you because they're gonna help and stuff. And I'm gonna say it's a great it's great to be promoting Legendary. And as I said, they're not gonna be like bomb rushing you and telling you all everything they're gonna talk about. Eh, this is how you promote Legendary. No, it's in general. As I said, it's an education company, so it's in general teaching you how to promote everything. So here you can see some products here. So as I said, the Marketers Club, this is the Omni branding formula, and this is free traffic, the traffic, and this is an affiliate book. I'm gonna leave the link of that right below. It's an affiliate guidebook, and these are some bonus. As I said, the free traffic bootcamp, and then easy blogging walkthrough. So, and they also have, sorry about that, and they also have some a legendary book, and these are the other products. And if even if you don't say you want to book a call and get more help, you can actually book a call. So I'm gonna go on some of the products that I have. I don't have all of them, but this is the marketers clubs. I'm gonna go walk through a little. As I said, every Monday they're gonna go live at 3 p.m. So if you purchase the marketers club, which is, I would say, basically $30, you're gonna get all these videos, all content teaching you. So they have interviews of people that's been in the online industry for a while and make a lot of money. And they're, I said, knowledge is key. And probably never heard of him, but it's a guy called Nathan Lucas, which have a channel on YouTube as well called Influencer, and he's the number one affiliate of this company, which has made over $1 million in this company. So I'm not saying you can do it, but if you put as much work as Nathan or even more, you can even achieve that or even greater. So, and basically, you don't even have to, you can't even. So, I need even they're teaching you the journey tools. So they're teaching you on about how to build a YouTube channel, how to build a Facebook page and stuff. So there's a tons of content here, and right now I just be honest, I just purchased this back because I didn't have cash, and so I just purchased this back. And right now, after I finish making this video, I'm gonna be honest, I'm just gonna dive in and start learning because I have to learn. But guess what? Yes, I have to learn, but I have to take action too. So after I finish learning, I'm gonna try to take some actions. So the next product I have is the Omni branding formula. So probably you guys not gonna get this one. So this is a training. So it's a training, and it was great. It was great, and this is actually helping you out to brand yourself in the online industry. So I don't have this one as yet. So, and this is the affiliate book. So purchase this one as well. So this is the inside guide to affiliate marketing. It's a cheap book. I think $1.99, I believe. So if you want to check out this book, I'm gonna left the link right below this video. And to be honest, it's a secret. But if you purchase this book right now, that's for $1.99, you're gonna get the 15-day business challenge with it. And I'm gonna say that's a great deal, right? So you can just, I'm gonna leave the link of that right below this video. But if you're not, you can just purchase the 15-day business challenge, which is $7. So pretty cheap as well. So you can just say, all right, I'm not going to Starbucks or wherever you're going today, and you just buy it. Not, it's not a lot of money, so it's for a great training like this. And this book, you actually have the audio. So if you don't have the time to read it and you can listen, you do have the audio. Next product. This was the free traffic bootcamp which I was in, and after the free traffic bootcamp, they give a lot of prizes away. Sorry, I didn't enter to win anything, but even if you look at it, and it was for 30 days, so a whole month, October, last year, October, well, a whole month. So even if you don't, if you get this right now, you can look at it and say, okay, I'm gonna try this. Even if I didn't go through it, I still can learn and promote videos like every day, every single day. Try it out. promote videos, create content like on write articles and stuff. I was with a guy called Matt Alex Fort, so and that's a great guy as well. Sorry, I said Matt. Matt is just an amazing guy here, and he's probably one of the guys that influenced me. So this is the easy blogging walkthrough, and as you can see here, it's just a tremendous training here. So I would recommend the Legendary because I say it's easy and the people there are straightforward. So it's not like I, well, I am an affiliate of Legendary. So if you click those links below, then I'm sorry, but I'm gonna get a little commission off it. But if you don't want to promote my YouTube, even though I would appreciate it, you can just go on Google and type in legendarymarketers.com and then check it out. Go check it out. I'm not the only person recommending it, but it's a great program and it's a great teaching program as well. So, and they have their affiliate program. So, if you want to become an affiliate of them, you can do it. I am affiliate, as I said. And even though after you finish those, like the 15-day business challenge and stuff, and you say you want to become an affiliate, guess what? There's another training here. There's another training, so they're gonna help you, teach you, and walk you through. So, and and even the good thing about it, Legendary, he is gonna tell you like what's tell you where is the best place to get affiliate products and stuff, and where the best place to promote and stuff, and even what is the top three niches online. And I'm gonna say those are major. I even create a video on that, so you can check out my page and find that video. So my page is all about how to make money online and the tools that you need when you're making money. And when I get monetized and can post things like pictures, I'm gonna start posting motivation quotes on YouTube. I can't wait for that day to come because I love creating motivation quotes. I create them like daily on, and I post them on Facebook and Instagram and even on my WhatsApp. So even though my family members and friends, I post them so they can be motivated in the morning. So and they have a great support team. So that this is it, guys. I believe this is it for legendary marketers. I would say I'll go in the group, but not not at the moment. So as I said, they have a great group. I'm gonna see if I can see anything here that I can tell you about. And as I said, they're pretty transparent. So and they have a lot of events and stuff. And Dave Sharp is just amazing guy. Uh, so he started from nothing to something. So I'm just gonna say I hope you guys enjoy this video and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel as I said, and all these links is gonna be right below this video. So I hope you guys enjoy your day. Peace out.